Welcome to Anvil Kitchen. My name is Tulio and today we're going to show you the FGR 0600 Forge Griller and the BTI 0001, the vertical toaster. To demonstrate this equipment, I'm going to be making some burger patties and we're going to cut some vegetables for the burger. I'm going to mix these patties with these spices that if you want the recipe, you can go to www.anvilworld.com and it's going to be the full recipe for our patties. You need to bind and combine all the spices very well. And if you can do this and leave it from one day to the other, it's going to be even tastier. Okay, now we will press the meat on the patty machine, and very important, don't forget to put the cellophane. We're going to cook the burgers in the forge, but first I want to tell you a little bit more about this machine. It's heavy duty construct. It is done with 1.2 mm stainless steel. One of the advantages of the forge is the burners. The burners are engineered and laser cut. This burner, it is high efficiency and high power output. If you can see the grids, they have an even transmission of heat. They have no cold spots in the surface. They have a heavy duty stand and it's very easy to move around for cleaning. Also the bulb can fit it with a flame failure device for safety. A good tip to clean the grid when you go to braai, it is to clean with half an onion. So the acid of the onion is going to make the job. We preheated the grill, so now we're going to put the patties to grill. We fill in all the grill. It's not a cold spot in the machine, but you can hear if it's sizzling, it's grilling. Now that the burgers are ready, I'm going to put them on the plate. Now, our vertical toaster, it is a full stainless steel construction. It is a robust machine that it has the stainless steel wire conveyor. This machine has 6 positions of adjustment for the heel and for the crown, twin system of toasting. Also, the thermostat can fit it with a range of 250 degrees. This machine has a safety cutout. In comparison of other kind of toaster, is very energy efficient. Why to toast the burger buns? First, because we caramelize the inside of the bun, and that prevents from the sauces and the juices of the of the patty to make soggy the bun. The machine heat the burger to 55 degrees and enhance the taste of the burger and also maintain soft the inside of the burger. Next up, we're gonna toast the buns. Let's prepare the relish. And that is the way with Anvil you make the perfect burger.